بھارتیہ جنتا پارٹی BJP نے کرناٹک کے ITBT وزیر پریانک کھرگے سے استعفی دینے کا مطالبہ کیا ہے، جو 26 دسمبر کو 26 سالہ کنٹریکٹر سچن مونپا پنچال کی خودکشی کے بعد سامنے آیا۔ سچن نے اپنے پیچھے 7 صفحات پر مشتمل نوٹ چھوڑا، جس میں کھرگے کے ساتھی راجو کپنور پر موت کی دھمکیاں دینے اور کنٹریکٹ دینے کے لیے 1 کروڑ روپے کا مطالبہ کرنے کا الزام لگایا گیا۔ کرناٹک اسمبلی میں اپوزیشن لیڈر BJP کے اشوک نے اس مطالبے کو مزید شدت دی ہے اور فوری کارروائی پر زور دیا ہے۔ انہوں نے 4 جنوری تک کیس کو CBI کے حوالے کرنے کی ڈیڈ لائن دی ہے اور خبردار کیا ہے کہ اگر ان کے مطالبات پورے نہ کیے گئے تو وہ کھرگے کی رہائش گاہ کے قریب کلبرگی میں احتجاج کریں گے۔
I and Mr. Vijayendra and Narayan Swamy, opposition leader, will go, we will fight, we will tell the people of Karnataka, this is the government behavior. This is the deaths happening, officers' death, contractor death, because of the commission, because of the percentage. All over Karnataka, the deaths happen because of the corruption and the commission. ATM to Delhi. Thank you.
Mr. Priyank Kharge said that he will make sure.
Audio, sir, saying that BJP leader, Mr. has been threatening him and other Congress leaders. How are you responding to this? He said his speech was taken out of context, a speech that BJP is taking up, sir.
No. We have not one person. BJP people also, they given threat that our MLA, Swamiji, is also there. So that's why we are asking the resignation.
Sir, Mr. Priyank Kharge welcomes BJP delegation to Kaloburgi and he says that he will make sure.
Nagendra also welcome. Mr. Siddaramaiah also welcome. After that, what happened, you also know, people of.
الزامات کے جواب میں پریانک کھرگے نے کسی بھی غلط کام سے انکار کیا اور کہا کہ سچن کے نوٹ میں 8 افراد کا ذکر تھا، لیکن ان پر کوئی الزام نہیں لگایا گیا۔ میں سچن کو ذاتی طور پر نہیں جانتا، میرا نام صرف اس حیثیت سے ذکر کیا گیا ہے کہ ان افراد نے مجھ سے ملاقات کی تھی۔ میرے خلاف کوئی ثبوت نہیں ہے، انہوں نے وضاحت کی۔
Whereas in the letter which Mr. Sachin has written, he has accused 8 people and he's mentioned my name twice, saying that these people had come to see me. He's nowhere mentioned that I am the reason, neither am I accused or anything. So BJP is just trying its best to ensure that they find something that will embarrass the government, that will embarrass Mr. Kharge and seek my resignation, but that is not going to happen because I have got a clean slate. The BJP can do whatever in its capacity to hide their differences, to hide what Mr. Muniratna is doing, to hide what C.T. Ravi is doing, to hide the lack of leadership that is plaguing them in the state.
کھرگے نے BJP پر تنقید کرتے ہوئے کہا کہ وہ اپنی حکومت کے دوران ایسے ہی معاملات کو نظر انداز کرتے رہے، جیسے سنتوش پاٹل کی خودکشی، جس کی وجہ سے ایشورپا کو استعفی دینا پڑا۔ انہوں نے BJP پر الزام لگایا کہ وہ اس واقعے کو اپنے اندرونی مسائل اور بد انتظامی سے توجہ ہٹانے کے لیے استعمال کر رہی ہے۔ BJP کے منصوبہ بند احتجاج کے حوالے سے کھرگے نے کہا، انہیں آنے دیں، ہم یہ یقینی بنائیں گے کہ وہ پیاسے یا بھوکے نہ رہیں، جس کے باوجود کہ وہ بے بنیاد نعرے لگائیں، لیکن انہیں کم از کم کچھ ثبوت پیش کرنا چاہیے، بجائے اس کے کہ عوام کے سامنے خود کو شرمندہ کریں۔
To establish their leadership over here, state leadership. The BJP is a divided house. They have huge factionalism going on, and they're just trying to cover all this up with a non-issue. While we sympathize with the family of Sachin, but they're yet to figure out what is the role that the government has played or I have played. This is the letter of Mr. Santosh Patil, who committed suicide during the BJP regime. Mr. Ishwarappa resigned because of this, and the BJP is citing this as the excuse to seek my resignation. Very clearly in this letter, Mr. Santosh has written that the reason for my suicide is the Rural Development and Panchayat Raj Minister, Mr. Ishwarappa, and he should get severe punishment, and my family should be taken care by the then government, that was BJP, the then BJP Chief Minister, and Mr. Yediyurappa and the community. So very clearly, he is telling his name. He's written his name in the letter. Whereas in the letter which Mr. Sachin has written, he has accused 8 people. And he has mentioned my name twice, saying that these people had come to see me. He has nowhere mentioned that I am the reason, neither am I accused or anything. So BJP is just trying its best to ensure that they find something that will embarrass the government, that will embarrass Mr. Kharge, and seek my resignation. But that is not going to happen because I have got a clean slate. The BJP can do whatever in its capacity to hide their differences, to hide what Mr. Muniratna is doing, to hide Mr. what C.T. Ravi is doing, to hide the lack of leadership that is plaguing them in the state.
So are you putting it on record that Sachin was not in a close proximity?
Absolutely. See, I don't know him personally. And I meet a lot of people every day. And he claims that he had come and met me, and I'm not sure. And I don't know him personally, is what I've always told.
BJP is doing Kalburgi Chalo single CBI.
Yeah, I welcome them to Kalburgi. Let them come to Kalburgi. We will ensure that they don't go back hungry or thirsty, because there will be a lot of sloganeering that will go on without logic, because they don't have one document to showcase that, and hence they are going to do it. Let them do it. I welcome them to Kalburgi. Please, at least don't make a fool of yourselves when you come there. Please produce some documents in front of the media or to the public, whoever you deem fit to.
So you have requested for a CID investigation. First 2 FIRs and now CID. Where the case stands as far as investigation?
See, the railway police was investigating this earlier. It's just been a day and a half or probably 2 days since they have given it to the CID. So I'm sure that they're doing their job, and the truth will come out in as quickly as possible.